there, here we are. We've got the PlaneWave 20-inch in the crate, so Matt and I are going to work today to pull it out. We'll also put it on the L500 mount and put that on the pier right here, so we'll update you further.
Okay, so we just lifted on the L500 mount. It's on top of the wedge. We're installing the imaging train on the CDK20. It's going to make us balance the telescope a lot quicker and simpler. So we're going to set up the Series 5 rotator and focuser, get the imaging train attached, and then lift on the telescope. Alrighty, we got the CDK20 attached to the L500 mount. We're going to start running all the cables, then we'll do balance, and then jump into motor tuning after we get everything balanced. Alright, so we got everything set up, it's been balanced, all the cables have been ran. Next up, we're going to jump into the motor tuning, and if the clouds stay away, we're going to go ahead and shoot the first pointing model.